This video is to show how to adjust the wheels and or reveal on a patio door. This could be the 2750 or the 3750, but you can see the reveal at the top is tight. The reveal at the bottom is loose when you put the panel next to the frame and not all the way in the pocket. So what we're going to do is we're going to adjust the wheels to correct that reveal by pulling that plug at the bottom, revealing the adjustment screw. Put a screwdriver in the hole, you'll find a Phillips head. We are going to raise this wheel by turning to the right, since the gap was at the bottom of the door. Pulling the panel close to the frame rather. Once again, you can now see that the reveal is even from bottom to top, which means that the door probably locks well at this point. It does. So we're just going to replace the cap at the bottom, and the job is done.